Mommy!
That's lumpia. So,
Open it!
before it's what we call cheese dog. Cheese dog, that.
Wow! Cheese dog. Cheese dog.
Yush.
Very yummy.
Taste the yum.
Like cheese. Very yummy. Yummy, yummy. Tastes like cheese. Tastes like cheese. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Are you me? Are you me?
Okay, next one.
Hi, me.
Snaku.
It's green. Why is it green? Green. Wow! I like it. It tastes like veggies.
Does it? It tastes very good.
It tastes like veggie. I hope there's no meat in it. And no meat for this.
Is it yummy, babe?
Oh, pickles.
Okay, the next one is, the next snack is, di hati na silang table.
What is it?
It's
That's.
green bee.
It looks like French fries.
Wait.
Hello. It looks like French fries. Cheese?
It's cheese flavor.
I think that's the one I was about to get. Wait. What's the animal has?
Okay.
So the next one?
Next one is sweet corn.
What? What is it? Balls. Balls.
Cheese ball.
It tastes like balls. Tastes like popcorn. Not.
Tastes like popcorn.
This one tastes like cheese. This one tastes like vegetables. This one tastes like
corn.
and cheese.
And then the next one is
Oh no, I don't want even to eat that.
tortillas.
Let me taste. Spicy.
Spicy?
It's very spicy. I like it.
It's a little bit spicy.
I thought you don't want to taste it.
I told and it's spicy.
It's not spicy at all.
No, because you can resist it.
The next one is nagaraya.
What's the nagaraya?
It's peanuts coated with
Yeah, I don't like peanut.
what's that, hun? Coated with crunchy coating.
Super sour. I got the rest.
Sour? Which one?
Not sour at all.
Sour knuckle.
Not sour.
Not sour.
Try now.
I already tried it.
The next one is Moby.
Ball.
Coated with chocolate. Caramel.
I want some.
I mean only chocolate.
Chocolate. Chocolate tea. Look, there's a yellow hen. Yellow hen.
How about you, babe? Try.
Try. This is look like a hand. Hello.
Saan yung pinakaganahan ay?
Couple sour. This one.
I like this one and this one.
How about you,
I like
Zion?
this one.
And I also like this one.
I like this one, this one, this one, and this one.
This one too.
I like this one too.
I also like this one. It has a really tasty
100,
flavor.
100 more to go.
And then we have the next one that we will try is peanuts.
Oh no, I don't want it.
You can try.
Fine. That is spicy.
I don't think it will
So-
be so bad.
The snacks that you're trying right now are the snacks that we used to enjoy when we were kids.
Wow.
So that's Growers Peanuts.
Why? Why won't you give me one? No, I just want to taste.
Wait up.
Yeah, I like that now. Gimme, 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 gimme. Yummy, very. These are my favorite, new favorite. Peanut.
How about you, babe?
Mom, you
Yummy.
just need to eat so now that you would taste.
Yeah,
Mommy.
we were kids.
Mom, why was this green? Take one and he coats here with veggies. Please,
Okay,
chocolate. Chocolate.
The next one is
Oh, that's chocolate.
Is it?
Really? Really?
the next one is my favorite snack when I was still young.
Why?
It's pusit.
What was that?
Be careful, it will.
It will jump on us.
Yeah, open the eyes.
I can't open
Kaya po may
it.
plastic kan.
Dad, ako ni ano?
Wait.
I don't feel like tasting it, but I have to. Why?
It's okay if you want to taste it.
I give it to Zion. Give it to Zion.
Try it.
Try lang. This one. It's sweet.
I said,
Oh, baby Zion.
It yours.
Oh, ang gikaon ko ni Zion. Tanan.
Here.
It yours.
Good job!
Ay, si Yoshi.
Baby Zion. Eat it. Taste.
I'm gonna get taste.
Eat.
Taste it.
Show them. Show the camera.
It's a bit spicy.
Okay, eat it.
Kanan yours.
Everything.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
Yummy, babe. No, babe.
Spicy.
Which one do you want? Here, which one is your favorite, babe?
Sour. I don't like it too, Zion. Sour.
I think I like it. It's sweet and spicy. Agaraya. That's my favorite.
Asin-asin na.
You like the chocolate?
Which one is your favorite?
This one,
Sour.
Agaraya.
Ako, kani.
Here.
I want this one. I like this one, this one, this one, this one. I like this one, this one, this one.
One. Choose one.
This one.
I like this one. I like this one, this one.
Which one? Nak? Number one. One favorite. Zion. That one.
I like
Sweet
this
corn.
one. I like the Agaraya.
How about this one?
I like this.
I like it. I still have
This is
more.
a squid. This is
Spicy.
like a squid.
Yes.
Where's the
You
donut?
ate everything.
Squid's my birthday, nah?
Yes.
Make sure to subscribe to Anna Banana Cebu Vlogger. Hit the like button and the bell to never miss a video.
Yeah.